Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I have here some Elgato key light and a Stream Deck Mini. This is the Key Light Pro 2500 lumens if I'm not mistaken. So we are going to be unboxing this one. So without further ado, let's unbox the key light first. Basically, I've been streaming lately, and I thought, using my webcam, sometimes the lighting when I'm streaming, especially playing Dota and stuff on Twitch, YouTube, and everywhere, it's kind of like it's not consistent. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. So we are going to test this out, unbox the key light, and test out whatever is how this helps my streaming, especially the lights when I'm live streaming and all that. First one would be, I think this is the actual key light right here. Wow, it's very, very thin. So if you can see, that's how thin it is. And this is how big it is. Where's the my tape measure right here? So I know it is on the spec sheet, but just to make sure. So it's about 13 and 3/4. 13.75 inches, the length, almost just a little shy of 10 inches, or at least the, I would say the height. Now for thickness, so it's a little less than, actually it's a little over than half an inch. I would say about, maybe 0.6 of an inch. Yeah, it's a matte glass right here, which is good because, you don't want that to be just like soft plastic and all that. On the back, it has the key light, the Elgato logo, and it says key light right here. A warning: may become hot during prolonged use. Handle with caution. Okay, there is an on, off, and reset button right here, or switch. I would assume, I believe this is the power input jack right here for the power cable. Moving on, let's put this back, just in case. I don't want to mess this up before testing it out later. We're going to test it out later, like a simple setup. All right, what else do we have? We have the instructions manual right here. Elgato key light, quick start guide, and a different language version of it. So here's the instruction manual. Set up your key light, screw. So it's pretty simple, but it's very, it's all visual, so it really helps. I actually like it better than like reading a list of what to do. So visual is always better than just like simple text. So tighten, do not over tighten. It should have the stand and the clip for the base, and then with the power adapter. It says maximum load of 2 kilograms or 4.5 pounds. What is this one? I believe it should be it's the accessories. Here are the clips. Maybe the overhead camera might be a little better for that. Here is an adapter right here. Another adapter. This is more like, I think this is Europe, if I'm not mistaken, but I'm in the US, so I don't need that. Here is the power adapter, the actual adapter. This one is, I guess, the dongle and all that. So the good thing about the Elgato is you have 3 kinds of prong, or like the outlet adapter or something. You know what I mean. Actually, it's 4. So there is one more right here, which is like the standard US type. It has the 2-prong with the flat ones. The 3, well, it's more like 2, but the 3rd one is like more for the ground, but it's plastic. And there's just like the 2 cylindrical, and then the standard one. Then what else is here? This is the I guess the neck, or the like now where you can shoot. Where you screw the actual light and connect it to the stand or the base. What else is here? We have important safety instructions of the Elgato. Okay, this is really tiny though. I don't know how many people can read this. I mean, I guess nobody really reads it a lot, but it's necessary. But these texts are tiny. Anyways, that's that. And there's this it's a rubber stopper, I guess, like a rubber washer. Okay, what else do we have here? I would believe it's, this is the last one right here. Well, these are empty. Lastly, this is the stand. One thing I like about Elgato is especially they're like the stand and the base and all that, they really feel premium compared to the cheap ones I've bought over the years. So this one, how far will it go as high? Okay, I guess that is the maximum height. And it has the clip right here. It has a big, I guess, rotator here for the, for the locking mechanism. But sometimes, especially when I have some of the cable management below, sometimes it gets in the way. But it's not really a major deal. You're just gonna have to work around it. So that's that. We're gonna set this up later and we're gonna test it out. I just want to open the Stream Deck. So yeah, to come with it, this is the one's going to be controlling the Elgato key light right here, as well as my streaming. So hopefully they have some presets right here, because I have never tried this one at all. Oh, I like that there's a little bit of a hole so you can like pull it out, because most of the time it doesn't, like the other boxes doesn't have all that, so that's good. Another safety instructions manual right here. Yeah, tiny text. Oh wow, I never really imagined this to be really tiny. I mean, I thought it was going to be small, but not this tiny. And it's covered in paper. I guess they're following Apple for that. Just gonna have to. Yeah, I'm trying to unpack this as delicate as possible, but I don't think it's going to happen because they're all paper and the sticker just like sticks out. So yeah, whatever. Just gonna tear it up. Wow, that's a lot of effort to take it off. Okay, so I must say this is really tiny. Look at just like in my hands. I thought it was gonna be small, but not this tiny. Length is about just a little shy of 3.5, less than 3.5, probably like 3.4 or something like that here. And then the height, is it height or width? Yeah, whichever. I mean, it's gonna be like, standing up. This is about almost 2.5, maybe about like 2.4. And then I guess the depth would be about 2.5 inches. At least from my estimation. It has 6 buttons right here. So these are all macro, how do you say that? Like you can set it up, customizable macro buttons, so which is good. I think they already have like a preset, pre-default or preset macros right here. So we're gonna test them out. Okay, so as far as the cable, yeah, this should be like longer. And the good thing about this one is just like a USB cable. So yeah, you just plug this in right straight up to your computer. So hopefully I don't have any problems, especially I have an unraised server. We're gonna have this passed through. So at the bottom, it basically says all the safety instructions and all that. Then on the top, it has the Elgato logo. On the front, Elgato Stream Deck right here. It's with 6 buttons. And that's pretty much it. What's inside? Is there something inside? No, we're gonna try to run Windows first because, I am originally having these two for live streaming for, playing games, mainly Dota. So we're gonna set this up on Windows and download the necessary app for this one. We'll be right back. All right, so I have just downloaded the Stream Deck app right here. I haven't really tried this at all, so this is the first time that we are going to be setting it up. Rather. The key light right now, I must say, really bright. I'm not used to it like really in front of me, even though I have the YouTube one. But I guess it's just because this one right now is really bright. Haven't set the gain knob and all that at the moment. I'm trying to figure it out. It has 6 buttons right here. I have to double check what type of I guess there would be a recording. Let me try this. I can do the C. So the good thing about it is, yeah, it does detect the Streamlabs that's running right now. I'm using Streamlabs to record this one here right now. Oh, right here. Oh my god, it didn't show for... Oh, it's at the bottom. Okay, I'm stupid. I guess I have to set... But how do I set the brightness, though? Okay, so yeah, this would be a Stream Deck brightness. On the key lights. That's why. Up for it. install it. Yeah, mind you guys, this is the first time I've tried this one, so I may look stupid. Okay, time to read the manual because we are dumb. There you go. Oh my god. For some reason I had to reset it. I guess that was a bit of my fault, but you know, there is also a marketplace, which is really cool. Almost like the Apple Store. Set for Discord right here. Set up for Twitch Studio. I will have to play around with this one. So overall, I actually like this. The only thing I guess quite a few cons I have. For one is when I was setting this up, the key light with the you know, the neck with that ball knob, kind of a weird thing because I have to break them both the locking mechanism for it to be able to clip them to the actual stand, and it's really annoying because why do I have to do that? So you know, it's a bit of an effort to do that, and then after setting it up and locking it, then you have to like screw the actual key light and all that. The other thing is the freaking adapter, the power adapter of the key light. There are a bunch of connections. I think, you know, it's a good, I would say it's a good thing that they planned it, that you can like disconnect it if you need. Maybe you can like change it, but the freaking adapter is like huge, and it's making it harder for me to be able to plug it. Especially I have some cable management underneath this desk. It's really hard for it to like plug it in compared to the you know, just the Stream Deck Mini, where it's just like it's USB and plug it. Now I understand the power of this one might be more, but what the hell? Why do I have to click? Can't you have that the same as like Apple, where the plug to the outlet is like, you know, those small cables, and then I guess that would be like kind of like the power adapter, or like the transformer, regulate the voltage and all that, and the wattage would be in the middle of the cable, not at the end where you plug it in. So that is one of the cons, but overall right now I'm gonna play around with this one. I think I'm liking it. It's just that, especially for $200, yeah, at the time of recording, it's about $212 when I got this one. I gotta stop talking. I'm gonna play around with this one. I'm gonna set up this Stream Deck more. I'm gonna play around with here. But I like the Stream Deck for convenience. I want to test out the actual lights. Well, although I did with the warm colors. It goes to warm and bright. I wonder if I can change colors, which I am not. Yep, it's not actually an RGB, if you can see it right here. Color temperature is 2900 to 7000 Kelvin. I'm gonna set it up at 65K. It's not really a big deal. I got this, you know, it's basically mainly for key lights, so that would be good. But yeah, 29, and if I press the button, oh, it doesn't change the color temperature. Just the brightness on the. I guess I had to play around. That is it for now, guys. I'm gonna play around with the app. By the way, don't forget to smash the like button, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps a lot. Bye for now.